Good morning, Tauros. Let's get started with our morning meeting. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Yesterday was Monday. Yesterday we took a look at the number 23. We know that one more than 23 is 24. Now, if we are following the pattern of the cards, I'm going to show you the last 4 days. And you're going to tell me what you think is going to happen, what's going to be on the next card. So on the 20th, we had a word problem. On the 21st, we had the 10 frames and the counting fingers to match the number. On the next card, we had 10 frames only, showing 10, 10, and some ones. So 10, 20, and 2, 22. And on yesterday's card, we had 2 10 frames, 10, 20, and some ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So quick review: word problem, counting fingers, 10 frames, plate. What do you think will be on this card? If you guessed word problem, you are correct. Let's read it together. 4 ladybugs on a leaf. How many more to make the next 10? How many more to make the next 10? Let me go ahead and hang this card up for a moment so we can see it. How many more to make the next 10? If there are 4 ladybugs, let's just look at this card. If there are 4 ladybugs, how many more do I need to make the next 10? Are you counting? How many more do you need to make the next 10? If you have an idea, give me a thumbs up. Lock that answer in your head, because that is what you are going to use to help me fill out our addition sentence. If we have 4 and we need some more to make 10, how many more do I need? 4 plus blank equals 10. If you have your answer, when I start pointing again the second time, please say it out loud. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now I know that because I could see it here on the 10 frame that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces missing to make the 10 frame whole. If you wanted to make a number bond with it, all together, you need 10. One of the parts they give you is 4. And the part that's missing, the part that you still need, is 6. Now let's go ahead and review the date since our problem on our card is solved. Today is March 24th, 2020. For today's activities, you'll notice that the format is the same as yesterday. You will only have one assignment, or your daily assignment upload for that day. And you'll notice that there is only one main file. So for ELA today, it's very similar to yesterday, where you will watch a video on how to tell how a character feels, listen to the read aloud, and then have your scholar fill in their yellow reader's notebook and submit a photo of their work. For math today, there is one video demonstration. Today we are going to start talking about capacity and volume, and you will have a Google form assignment. Today you will also have another writing activity. This time Miss Martinez is writing a letter, and your job is to correct it because she also made a few mistakes that she would love scholars to work on. In science today, we are actually going to have a look at our plants that we planted earlier last month and see how they've grown. In your science workbook, which was sent home in your blue bags, you'll find your science notebook and have a chance to fill out lesson 11. Again, our read alouds are here below. We have a scary story today by Miss Ochoa and Mrs. Sua. And down below, if you have any assignments that have been returned to you or you still need to complete, they're all located at the bottom. Now, parents and scholars, remember that we are going to also do a Zoom conference call today at 9:30. If you are able to make it, we would be so happy to see you along with the rest of the Toros and the Gators. We will be doing a joint Zoom call. This video will continue, our morning meeting videos will continue to be posted in case you aren't able to make it at that time. If there is a better time that you would prefer or you think might work out, please communicate that with myself or Miss Martinez, because we would love to hear what you have to say, but also include more of our friends in our morning meetings. Another thing is that I will be holding daily conference calls from 12 o'clock to 12:30 open class. That means that the Toros will have a chance to all come together and review some activities throughout the day and just say hello. From 12:30 to 1 o'clock, I will make myself available for one-on-one calls with scholars. For now, let's go ahead and just parents request if you would like to meet with me. And moving forward, we'll find another schedule or perhaps another time that might work better for you at home. Until tomorrow, see you again. Goodbye.